During the recent Ayr Stranraer line closure, QTS worked on behalf of Network Rail to carry out essential de-vegetation works. The closure of the line allowed us to speed up this maintenance work which, under normal circumstances, would have taken up to a year. This 8-week operation covered 25 track miles and involved a mixture of manual and mechanical methods when felling trees. A tree shearer attached to a 360 Atlas excavator carried out the heavy work, with operatives using chainsaws following to ensure a neat and tidy job. Following the cutback of vegetation using the tree shearer, a long grab is attached to the Atlas, which then feeds the trees into the Mega Chipper. This bespoke piece of machinery, designed by QTS, can easily chip a 30-foot-long tree in just 60 seconds. The chipped wood is then sprayed onto the embankment, which helps to prevent regrowth of new saplings. Using the Mega Chipper helps to reduce the risk of manual handling and carries out a more efficient job that is less labour-intensive. Through this project, the QTS team cleared a 6-metre strip on both sides of the line, helping to improve the signal sighting for the driver and creating a safe walking area for the site controller. This clearance also reduces the risk of tree collision and, by removing the source of autumn leaf fall, improves the adhesion between trains and track. Vegetation works are always carried out in a sensitive manner. Following careful survey and assessment, we work to address local geographic and natural considerations, with a focus on striking a balance between maintaining line-side biodiversity and ensuring a safe and efficient railway.